Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure you can change system settings, sign into an account with permission. Once signed in, right-click an empty area of the taskbar or press Windows key, type settings, and open personalization. Make sure taskbar auto-hide is disabled so you can observe movement. This prevents surprises while repositioning. Now find taskbar behaviors or taskbar settings. That's where position options live. This step gets you immediately into the interface you'll use to move the bar. Once you're in taskbar behaviors, look for taskbar position or alignment. You can pick bottom from a drop-down menu, choose it to instruct the system to place the bar at the bottom edge. If your OS allows dragging, unlock the taskbar first and gently drag it to the lower screen edge until it snaps into place. After choosing or dragging, apply or close settings to confirm. Make sure icons remain visible and that overflow menus behave correctly because those sometimes reflow after moving. Once the taskbar sits on the bottom, lock it so you don't move it by accident. Right-click and select Lock the taskbar. If icons look scrambled or the bar vanishes, restart Windows Explorer from Task Manager or perform a quick reboot to reload the shell. Make sure display scaling and multiple monitor arrangements aren't forcing it elsewhere. Adjust scale or set the primary display if needed. If that still fails, reset taskbar settings or create a new user profile to isolate configuration errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.